Tomorrow is a 48 First Alert Weather Day, sponsored by Mr. Rooter Plumbing for all your emergency plumbing services.
Well, tonight, it's just rain. We'll have rain steady throughout the overnight hours through about 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning, and then the window of opportunity, so-called, opens up. If we become unstable ahead of this cold front late tomorrow morning into the afternoon, we could be dealing with some strong to severe thunderstorms. So, again, I say that. We'll talk more about it in just a second. But, again, it's not a high-end threat, but it's enough of a threat for a First Alert Weather Day. That and the travel impact alone. If you're going the entire state by the afternoon, we're going to have a lot of showers and storms from Nashville all the way down to the Gulf Coast. So tomorrow, high temperature really not an impact. 67 for the high, and we'll struggle to reach 70 most days the rest of this week. We're going to be below normal, and that's good because we got another storm system coming at us probably late Saturday night into Sunday. We're trying to figure out the timing on that, but that'll move in probably a chilly rain Saturday night and early Sunday. Thanksgiving, it'll be a chilly day. Temperatures around 52. The winds will have died down, so overall it's going to be a pretty nice afternoon. Morning low of 40, then 30 degrees for the Friday morning. The air mass doesn't look as cold as it looked a few days ago, so there's some good news. But the weather pattern looks pretty wet as we get into next week. Here's the storm timeline. I think the higher threat, if it develops, is going to be east of I-65, but this is the timing of the frontal boundary coming through when you could see the stronger storms, and it'll be over with by 1 o'clock over northwest Alabama. 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. in the heart of North Alabama, and 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. in northeast Alabama, Gunnersville, Albertville, Boaz, up to Scottsboro, Ider, Rosalie, all of you. We'll have an impact here as these storms move in. Here's what we're looking at right now. Mississippi state line right there. We got showers. This is all we're going to get tonight. Showers, maybe a wind gust 25 to 35 miles per hour. So as you go past 7 o'clock, notice most of the rain stays to the north, but early arrival could arrive around 10 o'clock in the northwest corner of the state. Again, this is just going to be some heavy rain after midnight. It continues to slowly spread to the east. Some of the heaviest rainfall will be 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Looks awfully red there. That's some very heavy rain. Probably an inch of rain overnight tonight, too. 4 o'clock in the morning, still dealing with the rain, and that lifts out of here. And if it moves out fast enough, that may allow the atmosphere to become more unstable as the south wind comes in right behind it. It's going to be cloudy all day, so that will help there. It'll help limit that instability. By noon, though, some of these thunderstorms firing up along the main frontal boundary. Notice how it expands a little bit. Could get some isolated thunderstorms ahead of the main line, too. So that's what we will be watching closely for. After 5 o'clock, this is all pretty much moving east of us. One exception could be southern parts of Marshall County up into DeKalb County. We'll watch these storms closely as they move through, and then the wind picks up out of the northwest. No big problem. I've got another image here for you. I didn't take this one out. This is just another model perspective showing the showers and storms overnight tonight. Again, nothing to worry about tonight. Good sleeping weather. We'll keep an eye on the weather. If there's any good news out of this, Margot, it's the severe weather threat tomorrow afternoon is in the daytime hours. We'll take another look at your forecast coming up at 6.